Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Take a look at this new video explaining why French drains work, how they work, and how slow they work.
Let's take a look at the capillary action of clay soil with a French drain. We've got a reservoir of water, and the reason that's there is, let's just say you're the lowest house in the neighborhood, and all the water from the uphill sides of the neighborhood are coming down into your yard. You can see this capillary action take place as it moves through not only the soil, but the gravel that is surrounding the French drain. Groundwater rises below the French drain. As the soil becomes saturated, the French drain begins to work. Also notice that all the voids between the stone and the pipe are completely filled with clay, but that French drain still functions. So now we have, an event rainfall, and the water is coming down through your yard, through your soil. It has to become totally saturated before the French drain can actually increase the flow. Notice that there's no voids of air anywhere in this system, and the system still works great. The French drain does a couple of things. Number one, it helps to remove the subsurface water. As groundwater rises, the French drain collects that water and can discharge it to daylight. And number two, between rainfalls, it allows your soil to dry out a little bit. So between rainfalls, the soil between the grass and the French drain can absorb more water. This is also a great example of what happens in your basement or your crawl space. The water in the reservoir is on the outside of the house. Without a French drain, that water will come up through the floor or up into the bottom of your crawl space. French drains collect subsurface water, and you can see it. Whether it's wrapped in fabric or stone, this French drain will continue to function. A French drain surrounded by stone or surrounded by stone encased in fabric all works from capillary action of subsurface water. Remember, it's not water coming from the top, it's water coming from the bottom. French drain works as water rises up in the ground. It collects subsurface water. Once the ground is saturated, then the water from the top can begin to flow. Let's take a look at the science of a French drain and how it actually works. So we're going to build a French drain. We're using pure sand. This is play sand. It's dry, just pure sand. This is what we have here in Florida. So we're going to use this example first. So we build a little trough. Next we lay some fabric in there. This is a fabric that I found that works so good. It works better than any fabric that I've ever used. It's called STA GREEN. I'll put the link in the description box below. Here in Florida, we definitely need to wrap our systems with some type of geotextile fabric. And that's one of the reasons I like to use the Easy Flow. It comes self-contained. We're going to add a layer of gravel under our pipe. This is very important. The base of gravel under your pipe. This actually makes your system work extremely fast. Okay, cover this up and we'll start this experiment. French drain science. So during big event rainfalls, I mean really big ones, water is just pouring maybe 2-3 inches every half hour or hour, and you can see how the water level goes down through the ground. Notice the French drain's not working. You can see its water level has now passed the bottom of the trench. Still no water comes out of that French drain. This is because the ground has to be saturated in order for the French drain to work. So now we've got another, maybe an hour later, we've got another big 2-inch rainfall. Let's fill this thing up. Water still does not come out of that French drain. We have to have totally saturated ground before the French drain works. So about another hour later, here comes a huge event rainfall, big one. This one's really got the water coming down. Watch what happens when we add more water to the saturated soil. As the ground fills with water, that's when the French drain begins to work. And although it looks like the water's coming from the top, it's not. It's actually coming from the bottom. As that groundwater rises up and becomes so full, it begins to push itself through that gravel into the pipe and is carried away. Let's look at it again. I'll just let the video run.
Okay, let's take apart our French drain. Remember, it's saturated down below, and if I tilt this thing, you can see the water will come out. As soon as that water level gets below the French drain, it stops. Let's take it apart. And take a look. You can see we had capped off the end. But look how saturated the soil is. See how saturated that soil is? Water. Lots of water down here. So whatever level you set your French drain, that's where your water level is going to be in the ground. It's just that simple. Let's take a look at the stone. Looking good. Remember, this STA GREEN is a landscape fabric, but boy does it work. It works better than anything I have ever used. Probably the absolute best. You can see even the sand doesn't really stick to it. Can you see that? Remember, I've showed you how this stuff gets stuck against the sides of the fabric, but on this one it works really good. So let's take this completely apart and we'll do it again with clay. Okay, do you recognize this? This is clay. We got this from one of the job sites. I just took a bucket of it. You can see it. Just took a bucket of it. And what I'm going to do is grind it up and go through the screen to make a very fine powder of clay. And we'll repeat some of these experiments. French drain science. So you can see just how fine going through that screen is making this clay. We're making particles of clay. You can see it down there. That's just dust.
At what point will this French drain begin to function? So we're going to add an event rainfall, first rainfall. It's interesting to note what happens as this rainwater drops down through the clay soil. Another event rainfall. We're at the top of the French drain, and still not a single drip of water is coming out. At what point will this begin to drain? Saturation is now below the French drain. We continue to add water to saturate the area. So it's been nearly 12 minutes and still not a single drop of water is coming out of that geo-wrapped French drain. At what point will this French drain begin to function? Nearly totally saturated at this point. Another event rainfall. That soil is totally saturated and not a drop of water. Another event rainfall. The soil is now totally saturated. At this point, you can see the water begins to drip out of that French drain. Took almost 24 minutes for that water to drain through this container of clay soil to reach a saturation point where the water could push through the geofabric, the stone, and enter the pipe and be carried away. It's interesting to note, can you see the pocket of water still sitting on the top of the soil? That soil is totally saturated. The French drain works, but it works very slow. If we push down a pipe down into that French drain, look at that. Look at that water come out of there. Wow! Adding the catch basin relieves all of that surface water almost immediately. Okay, here's a few notes. Clay soil is much denser than sand. Fabric slows the inflow of water. Catch basins allow immediate surface water inflow. French drain does not function until the soil is totally saturated. Okay, here's a few questions. How does capillary action work with a French drain? Will French drain collect surface water? What if no fabric is used? What happens in different soil types? To answer these questions and more, subscribe and we'll answer all these questions.
Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.